Hey guys, Blood Groove here. Just a quick unboxing today of my newest knife that we got from the knife reseller, excuse me. All right, let's see what we got. All right, from Ontario Knife Company, otherwise known as Ontario Knives. This is the XM-1 Extreme Military. Look at that. Very nice. It's a fat boy. Look at that. As it stated, this is the Extreme Military. You'll see there's a national stock number there. This was issued to troops. I believe it's made by Fox Cutlery. Serrated blade, spear point, large blood groove there, thumb stud. Let's see if I can actuate it. Nope, not really. Not good, at least. Made in Italy, N690C. So as I said, just a quick review, excuse me, a quick unboxing. I'll give a review of this at a later point. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it.